Immobiliser fit, and this is a Halo Mini on a Mercedes Sprinter. So a thief broke in, swapped the barrel, got a key, hopped in, went to start the vehicle up. It's just not going to start. So what the customer has to do, ignition on, go for a code, they get a flash from the full beam, and they can start the vehicle up, it fires up. They can choose whatever code they want between 3 and 21 presses on any supported buttons across the steering wheel. They can also put it into service mode. So with this system, they can start as many times as they want until they leave the vehicle. When they open the door, we get 2 flashes from the full beam and it's active. So now, if they try and start it, it's not going to start up. If the customer wanted to take this for a service, to put it in service mode, what they'll do, pop their code in, and on the last button they'll hold it for 15 seconds, and you'll see we get 5 flashes. We can now let go, turn the vehicle off, and it's in service mode. So when it goes to Mercedes, obviously there's no flashing, no need for a code. The vehicle's going to fire up as if there's nothing fitted to it. When you get it back from them, you want to turn the system back on, ignition on, same again, do your code, hold on the last press, and we'll get 1 flash after 15 seconds. We've got our 1 flash, we can let go, and now the system's active. So when we open the door, we get our 2 flashes, confirming the system's on, and it will no longer start. So once again, it's looking for the code. Customer can set their own code. Has a valet mode. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser fit. This is the Halo Mini on a Mercedes Sprinter.